Dear students, in the last class we discussed some application type questions related to the arithmetic progression. So in this class also we are going to solve some more problems. So let us consider the first example. In an AP, the third term and the seventh terms are 14 and minus 2 respectively. Which term of the AP is minus 14? Understand the question correctly. Which term of the AP is minus 14? Which term? We have to find the number of terms. Number of terms, that is n. So here, which term of the AP is minus 14? So this one is an. How to find the number of terms? What is the formula? So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is minus 14. We have to find the number of terms, that is n. So what is the value of a and d? First we have to find the value of a and d related to the given condition. So the first condition is third and the seventh term. So third term is 14 and the second condition, seventh term is minus 2. So how to write the third term? Third term can be written as, that is a3. So a3 third term. So third term is 14. Here n equal to 3. N equal to 3 or a plus n minus 1 into d, or a plus 2d equal to 14. So this is the equation number 1. And what about the second one? Seventh term is a7. a7 equal to minus 2. How to write the a7? a7 means a plus 6d equal to 2. So that is the second equation. Equation 1 and equation 2, on solving these two equations, so we will get the value of first term a and the common difference d. Here the equation 1, that is a plus 2d equal to 14. So a plus 6d, that is minus 2. So a plus 2d equal to 14, equation 1, and the second equation a plus 6d equal to minus 2, equation 2. So on solving these two equations by elimination method, so eliminate any one of the variable. So go through the first variable, that is a, here also a. What is the numerical coefficient? So here the numerical coefficient is 1, here also 1. What about the sign? So sign plus, here also plus. So therefore equation 1 minus equation 2. So here plus becomes minus, here minus becomes plus. So plus a minus a, plus a minus a, that is 0. And 2d minus 6d, bigger number sign minus, so minus 4d. So minus 4d plus 14 plus 2, that is 16. So what about the value of d? So therefore d equal to 16 divided by minus 4, or d equal to 4 1s are 4 4s are, so d is equal to minus 4. So this is the value of the common difference. Here the d value minus 4. Then how to get to the value of a, or the first term? Substitute d equal to minus 4 in any one of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So substitute in 1, a plus 2d equal to 14, or a plus 2 into common difference value, that is minus 4 equal to 14, or a plus into minus 2 into 4, 8 equal to 14, or a equal to 14, transpose the constant term minus 8 to the right hand side, so minus 8 becomes plus 8. So therefore a equal to 22. So this is the value of the first term. So what is the question given? Which term of the AP is minus 14? Which term? Which term means that is the n, or the number of terms. So what is the formula? an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the nth term of the AP. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an that is 14 equal to a, first term, that is 22, plus n, number of terms, which term? So therefore we have to find the value of n. So n minus 1 into d, d value minus 4. Now simplify. Minus 14 equal to 22, minus into plus that is minus 4 into n, 4n, minus into minus plus 4 into 1, 4, or minus 14 equal to 22 plus 4, 26, minus 4n. Here 26 is the constant term, so that is transposed to left hand side. Minus 14 plus 26 becomes minus 26 equal to minus 4n. Minus 14 minus 26 minus 40 equal to minus 4n. So what is the value of n? So therefore n equal to minus 40 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 tens are. So therefore n equal to 10. So which term of the AP is minus 14? Therefore 10th term of the AP. 10th term of the AP is minus 14. I think it is clear. Move on to the next question. Divide 56 into 4 parts in AP such that the ratio of the product of their extremes to the product of means is 5:6. What is the question given? Divide 56. Divide 56 into 4 parts in AP. You know the general form of the AP. But the condition given, the ratio of the product of their extremes. What is the meaning extremes? And to the product of means is 5:6. The 4 parts, divide 56 into 4 parts, or the 4 numbers or the 4 parts are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d are the 4 parts are in AP, no doubt. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on are in AP. That is a general form. Or in other words, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D also AP. The ratio of the product of their extremes. Extremes means the product of the first and the last term, or the first and the fourth term, that is extremes. And to the product of the means, that is the product of second and the third term. So here the second term is A minus D and the third term is A plus D. Divide 56 into the 4 parts. 56, that is the sum. So sum of the 4 terms are the 4 parts A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D equal to, that is given 56. 4 parts means their sum. Minus 3D plus 3D 0, minus D plus D 0, A plus A 2A plus A 3A plus A 4A. 4A equal to 56. So what is the value of A? So A equal to 56 divided by 4, or A equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So this is the value of the A, or the first term. Next, what is the condition given? The ratio of the product of their extremes. You know the meaning of the extremes. Extremes means the product of the first and the last term. So here the first term is A minus 3D. So the product of the first and the last term is A plus 3D. So ratio means that is divided by product of their extremes to the product of the means. Means product of the second and the third term. A minus D into A plus D equal to, the ratio given 5 divided by 6. Just look at the numerator, A minus 3D into A plus 3D in the form of A plus B into A minus B. You know the identity. A plus B into A minus B, that is A square minus B square. So here the A square, first term A square, minus B square 3D whole square. 3D whole square divided by A minus D into A plus D, that is also in the form of A plus B into A minus B. A square, first term, square of the first term, minus B square, here B equal to D, so D square equal to 5 by 6. What is the value of A? A is 14, substitute the value of A. 14 square minus 3D whole square means 3D into 3D, 9D square divided by a square 14 square minus d square equal to 5 by 6. Here 14 square equal to 196 minus 9d square divided by 196 minus d square equal to 5 by 6. Now cross multiply 196 6 into 196 minus 9d square equal to 5 into 196 minus d square. Now multiply. So 6 into 196, 6 into 196, that is 1176. You multiply. So the product is 1176 minus 6 into 9, 54 d square equal to 5 into 196, that is 980 minus 5d square. Now transpose the constant term and the variable term. So here the constant term is 980, transpose to left hand side 1176 plus 190 becomes minus 980 equal to minus 5d square. So transpose minus 54d square to the right hand side plus 54d square. 1176 minus 980 subtract, so the answer 196 equal to minus 5d square plus 54d square 49d square. So what is the value of d? So therefore d square equal to 196 divided by 49, 49 ones are 49 fours are, so therefore d square equal to 4. What is the value of d? D equal to plus or minus 4, because here the highest power is a 2, means it has two roots. One is a plus sign, another one is a minus sign. So d equal to plus or minus root 2, or d equal to plus or minus 2. So this is the value of the d, or the common difference. So what is the question? Divide 56 into 4 parts. Which are the 4 parts? So 4 parts are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So these are the 4 parts. So you know the value of a is 14 and d is, there are two possibilities, plus 2 or the minus 2. So therefore the 4 parts, divide 56 into 4 parts. Therefore the 4 parts are, there are two possibilities. If a equal to 14 and d equal to plus 2. The 4 parts are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Now substitute the values. A 14 minus 3 into d value 2, 14 minus 2, 14 plus 2, 14 plus 3 into 2. Now simplify. 14 minus 3 into 2, that is 6. 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 2, 12. 14 plus 2, 16. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 14, that is 20. So this is the required 4 parts, which are in AP. 8, 12, 16, 20 are in AP. Or one more possibility, if a equal to 14 and d equal to minus 2, then the terms are in reverse order. So 20, 16, 12, 8. So these are the required parts, are the numbers. So 8, 12, 16, 20 are in AP. Now check whether the answer is correct or wrong. Divide 56 into 4 parts in AP. 8, 12, 16, 20 are in AP. What is the sum? 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 16, that is 56. So divide 56 into 4 parts. So this is the required numbers, are the parts 8, 12, 16, 20. Next we pass on to the next question. The 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term, and the third term is 6 more than 2 times its 6th term. find the first 3 terms. Students, this is the last question in this lesson. So find the first 3 terms. Find the first 3 terms. Which are the 3 terms in AP? You know that the general form A plus D, A plus 2D. So these are the first 3 terms of the AP. So we have to write the first 3 terms of the AP. How? With respect to the given condition. The 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term. How to write the 13th term? 13th term means A13. 13th term of an AP is 2 times its 10th term. So 10th term A10. 10th term. 2 times means multiplied by 2. So 2 into A10. So at that time A13 equal to 2 into A10. So how to write A13? A13 means 13th term means A plus 12D equal to 2 into A10. A10 means A plus 9D. Now multiply A plus 12D equal to 2 into A, 2A plus 2 into 9, that is 18D. Or A plus 12D plus 2A becomes minus 2A plus 18D becomes minus 18D. So the right hand side term becomes 0. Here plus A minus 2A minus A plus 12D minus 18D, bigger number sign minus, so minus 6D equal to 0. Let it be equation number 1. What is the second condition? And the third term is 6 more than 2 times its 6th term. Third term A3 is 6 more. 6 more means that is a plus. 6 more than 2 times its 6th term. 6th term A6. 6th term 2 times its 6th term. 2 times means multiplied by 2. Third term is 6 more. 6 more means plus 6. 6 more than 2 times its 6th term. So A3 equal to 2 into A6 plus 6. A3, that is A plus 2D equal to 2 into A6 or the 6th term A plus 5D plus 6. Now multiply A plus 2D equal to 2 into A, 2A plus 2 into 5D, 10D plus 6. Now transpose all the variable terms to the left hand side. A plus 2D plus 2A becomes minus 2A plus 10D becomes minus 10D equal to 6. Plus A minus 2A, answer minus A. Plus 2D minus 10D minus 8D equal to 6. So this is the equation number 2. So on solving equation 1 and 2, so we will get the value of A as well as D by the method, elimination method. So the first equation minus A minus 6D equal to 0, equation 1. And the second equation minus A minus 8D equal to 6, equation number 2. Just go through the variable. So here the variable is A, here also variable A. What about the numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient 1, here also 1. What about the sign? Sign same, minus, here also minus. So we have to subtract equation 1 minus 2. So at that time minus becomes a plus, here plus. So here plus becomes a minus. Minus A plus A, minus A plus A 0. Minus 6D plus 8D, 2D equal to 0 minus 6, answer minus 6. Or D equal to minus 6 divided by 2, or D equal to minus 3. So this is the value of the common difference. So D equal to minus 3. Then how to get the value of the A? Substitute the value of D equal to minus 3 in any one of the equation, either 1 or the 2. So substitute in 1, minus A minus 6D equal to 0. minus A minus 6 into what is the value of D? D is minus 3 equal to 0. Or minus A minus into minus plus 6 into 3 18 equal to 0. Minus A equal transpose minus 18 to the right hand side, that is minus 18. So therefore A equal to minus minus cancel, so A equal to 18. So this is the value of the first term, A equal to 18. Next, what is the question? Find the first three terms. Find the first three terms. Which are the three terms? So therefore the three terms are A plus D, A plus 2D. So these are the first three terms of the AP. So value of A 18 plus D value minus 3, 18 plus 2 into minus 3. Now simplify, 18 plus into minus minus 3, 18 plus into minus minus 3 into 2, 6. 18 minus 3, 15, 18 minus 6, that is 12. So these are the required first three terms of the AP. 18, 15, 12 are in AP. I think you understood the problem. Okay. Dear students, before winding up the lesson, we shall recall what we learned in this lesson. What is the general form of an arithmetic progression? General form of the arithmetic progression: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So this is the general form of an arithmetic progression. What is AP or the arithmetic progression? The difference between a term and its preceding term is a constant, or it is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number except the first term. So this is the AP, or the simply difference between a term and its preceding term is constant. So this is the general form. Here A is the first term and D is the common difference. But my question is, what is the last term or the nth term? Nth term is denoted as AN, or the last term. So AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term or the general term of an AP. Here AN, nth term or the last term. A, first term. N, number of terms. And D, common difference. And next formula is sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is denoted as Sn. What is the formula? Just recall the formula. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Here Sn, sum of n terms. N, number of terms. A, first term. D, common difference. And one more formula, if the first term and the last term given, what is the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. This is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression if the first term and the last term given. Here A is the first term and an is the last term. N, number of terms. And one more formula, sum of n positive integers. Sum of n positive integers, formula Sn equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the formula to find the sum of n positive integers. N into n plus 1 by 2. N means number of terms. Next one, the relation between sum of n terms and nth term of an AP. Sum of n terms, that is Sn. Nth term, An. So the relation between sum of n terms and nth term, that is Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to An. So this is a relation. Sn minus Sn minus 1 equal to An. The question is maybe like this. The sum of the first 4 terms is 10 and the sum of the first 3 terms S3 equal to 8. What is the fourth term. The question is maybe like this. Relation Sn minus 1 equal to An. What is the question? Sum of the first 4 terms is 10 and the sum of the first 3 terms is 8. What is the fourth term? A4. S4 means sum of the first 4 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, sum of the first 4 terms, and sum of the first 3 terms A1 plus A2 plus A3. So sum of the first 4 terms given 10. Sum of the first 3 terms also given. What about the fourth term? Fourth term is S4 minus S3 equal to A4. S4 10 minus 8 equal to A4. So therefore A4 equal to 2. So this is the answer. And next one of the important aspect of this lesson, that is the application type questions. How to consider the number of terms in an AP related to the application type questions. Sometimes we require certain number of terms in an AP. The following ways of selecting the numbers are generally very convenient. So suppose if the 3 terms are given, the sum of the 3 terms and the product of the 3 terms are given. Find the 3 terms. Which are the 3 terms? How to consider the 3 terms? So in my view, so the first 3 terms are A minus D, A plus D. For the calculation purpose, you consider, so these are the 3 terms, A minus D, A plus D. Or A is the middle term. What is the preceding term of the A? Preceding term of the A is A minus D. How to get the succeeding term? By adding the common difference or the A plus D. Suppose the question is maybe like this. Find the 4 terms. How to consider the 4 terms? Suppose the 4 terms are given. The 4 terms are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So these are the 4 terms. Suppose the 5 terms are given. 5 terms, which are the 5 terms? A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Suppose the question is like this. Find the 6 terms. Which are the 6 terms? How to consider the 6 terms? A minus 5D, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, A plus 5D. So these are the 5 terms. If the 3 terms are given, find the 3 terms. A minus D, A plus D are the terms. 4 terms, divide the previous question, divide 56 into 4 parts. So the 4 parts are the 4 numbers are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Students, I hope you are practicing the problems daily. Practice well. I have finished the lesson. So thank you one and all.